Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing one deal on the marketplace that's getting a lot of reviews. They have already more than 50 reviews on AppSumo, and it's a biolink deal with a shortened URL features and a QR code feature. It's pretty simple to understand that kind of deal, and if you don't have a biolink, you get a lot of features here for only $59. You have unlimited everything, you can remove branding, you get custom URL, analytics, link scheduling, and also 5 custom domains. Everything else is unlimited. So it's pretty easy to understand how the deal works. You can see here there are a lot of people that bought that deal. They already bought a lot of deals on AppSumo, so the reviews seems to be legit, and I'm gonna show you how that deal works. So here is the biolink dashboard, and the tool is pretty simple to understand. As you can see here, to create link, you click on the button, the green button, and you can choose to shorten the URL or the biolink page. Shorten the URL, really simple. You can add your custom domain or choose one of the Dope.Link domains, and then you can shorten the URL. For instance, here, I type AppSumo and AppSumo here, and I have the URL shortened. And you can see here that you receive statistics related to your URL. Also, you can here click on create link, biolink page, and create unlimited biolinks with the AppSumo deal with your own branding, your own custom domain, or using the biolink domain. Click here. I already have one created because I have the free plan here, and I'm gonna show you. Clicking here to edit, and the tool works with blocks. Okay, they have different preset backgrounds, and you can use also a custom image to create your background. For the sake of that review, I'm gonna choose the black background. You can add your favicon, okay, and you have all features here to add branding, CO, UTM parameters, and changing also the font, and you can protect your biolink with a password. So you could, for instance, sell your biolink, creating content exclusively to your users, and then sell sharing the password. To create your biolink, adding blocks, you come here. Let's see the link first. So creating a link of my website, and it's done. You can see here. Here is an ad, but it's only showing because I have the free plan. Let's say I wanna write a paragraph. I'm testing Dope.Link, and that's how you're gonna see the paragraph. If you want a header, you come here. You can choose H1, H2, etc. My heading is a heading first, and the paragraph you can just change everything. Here you can add the link here below. Okay, I'm adding another block. Let's say you want to add an image on your biolink, and here is the image on your biolink. It shows pretty well, pretty good. You can add an avatar. You can add your social media, telephone, email, etc. Pinterest, Snapchat, tweets, everything. This is a really good feature. You can add a sign-up form on the biolink. Few biolinks have that feature to sign up, okay? So you can add that sign up form on your biolink. Also can add SoundCloud, Spotify, YouTube. Let's check YouTube. Let me choose here a video. So I'm gonna add an YouTube link. So I need to delete some of the blocks because I'm using the free version, so I don't have unlimited blocks, but with your version of biolink, you have unlimited blocks, and you can create on your Dope.Link as many blocks you want. So you can see here my YouTube video. Also, They have Tweet, Vimeo, TikTok, Apple Music, Tidal, Anchor, SoundCloud, Spotify. You can add a Twitter tweet, pretty cool feature, Instagram media, Facebook posts, and with the paid version you can add your PayPal, phone collector, a feed, custom HTML, vcard, image grid, divider, FAQ, Discord server, Reddit, audio, video, file, countdown, call to action, external auditing, share, YouTube feed, also YouTube feed. So it's a pretty complete link tool, and that's why they have so many positive reviews on AppSumo. So I added my blogs. Let's check out how my link shows up on the desktop. Of course, you're gonna use it more on your mobile, for instance, sharing your biolink on Instagram. But as you can see here, it shows pretty good on desktop as well. The YouTube link plays directly, as you can see here. It shows directly. And here's the sign up button. So few tools have that sign up button. I'm gonna check here, adding my email, sign up, and I'm gonna see how it works. Thank you for sign up, and it's done. Okay. So I recommend that tool. I think if you don't have a biolink tool, they have more features than many biolink tools that launch on AppSumo because of the form signups. Because we don't have many tools with this kind of sign up feature. Okay. Here you can create a QR codes pretty easy using your biolink. Here you add your custom domains. You can create projects to divide your biolinks by folders. So projects are the folders on Dope.Link. And you have also unlimited pixels. This is a pretty good deal. I definitely recommend it if you don't have another biolink tool and if you don't have a biolink tool that has forms, because forms is really important on biolinks to capture leads. So that's my Dope.Link review. I hope you like it. Please click on the button below to help me to keep going and check out the Dope.Link on AppSumo. Thank you so much. Bye bye.